So in this demo, let us look at debit and credit notes. What are debit notes and credit notes? A credit note is where you overcharge the tenant. For example, maybe you are supposed to charge them 500, you charge them 600. So this app, you don't delete the invoice and put an invoice, you just raise a credit note. Then a debit note, it means you undercharged. Maybe you forgot to add the recurring item, you forgot maybe to add the money for garbage collection, and you have already sent the invoice to the person. So you can create a debit note. So where do you go to create it? You go to create invoices, you allow it to load. Maybe here you look for that invoice, maybe for bets. Both you longer press. When you longer press, it will say create credit note. You come here. You put a date, maybe today. It is a credit. Credit means it's going to reduce their amount. So you say, reducing it by 15. Say, overcharge, reduction on other charges. You overcharged them. I say, save. So the overcharges, you didn't have put it 20, but now it should maybe have been 5, so you have reduced it by 15. Then you can say now, view credit notes. So we can see it is there. Then in the middle, we can also print it. It says error printing. So there's an error there. I correct it. So you can print it. You can print it and send it to the person. The same way, a credit note or debit note, the same way, you just change here and say this is a debit note. Remember, the debit note will increase. Maybe you have undercharged them. Yes, you are charging them more. Maybe you forgot an item. So let us say this is highest boy here. You forgot to add them, to charge them for garbage. So you say create credit note, but here you change it to debit. You put the date today. Then maybe you charge them 20,000 shillings. Then you say garbage correction. Because the cabbage. Okay. There's no problem. This is not in my native language. Yeah? Garbage correction. These are errors we make every day. So I save. Yeah. Now, so I can also view notes. You can say this is for yes, and it is a cabbage. Yes, I made that error. Yeah, I made it deliberately, no problem. So those are credit and debit notes. You send someone an invoice, but maybe it was lower or it was higher. Then you change. You change like that. You don't delete it. You just put debit note. Okay. So share PDF. And share a PDF for the invoice. But remember, the original invoice didn't have a debit note. So a debit note or credit note should be separate from the invoice. So that's it.